something. How did you decide on the title Dilwale?
Not really.
How was the title finalized?
जब स्क्रिप्ट लिख रहे थे तभी दिलवाले टाइटल रख लिया था.
अच्छा, शुरू से ही फाइनल रखा था. And any particular reason why Iceland was chosen for that Geruva song?
By mistake. Iceland because I think एक साउथ की फिल्म शूट हुई है, to be very honest. सूर्या की कोई फिल्म शूट हुई थी. And our line producer who was in Bulgaria, उन्होंने लोकेशंस दिखाई थी of Iceland कि अगर आपको कोई गाना वगैरह करना होगा तो this is one place. Then I told my producer and he said कि चलो. So we went to Iceland and shot the song. And it's all real. You all must have seen the making by now. Yes. CG.
रोहित सर, एक्शन मेकिंग के बारे में भी जानना चाहेंगे किस तरीके, क्योंकि काफ़ी भावुक वो वीडियो था. और
एक्चुअली वो मेकिंग थी यार, मतलब जो इंटरव्यू होता है और एक्शन दिखाते हैं वो एक अलग इमोशनल लेवल पे चले गया. एंड देन वी वांटेड टू शूट विद शाह भाई एंड ही सॉ द वीडियो एंड ही सेड कि नहीं, इसमें अभी और कोई एक्टर शूट नहीं करेगा, इसको रिलीज कर दो. सो होता ये कि वी वांटेड टू शो के जैसे पहले प्रोमो भी आया था तो like he had planned के we'll show the humor part and then we'll bring this drama in the end. So लोग decision लेना शुरू कर देते हैं पहले ही. So we wanted to show के होता कैसे यार, कितनी मेहनत जाती है उसमें, you know, क्योंकि हर चीज़ को मतलब इतना आसान नहीं है. So एक वो emotional moment बन गया. It was not planned, वो हो गया बस.
Members of the media, we'll have this last question.
Shahrukh sir, who according to you is the new age Raj and Simran?
शाहरुख एंड काजल
अभी तो मेरी एज ही नहीं खत्म हुई यार, अभी तो मैं.
No, but in this generation.
I don't know. So you see, I'll tell you, मैं एक चीज़ बोलना चाहूँगा, and not because I don't want to. I'll name all the couples, and I'll say all of them are Raj and Simran, and they all. First, they should have an individuality which should be their own, and second, I think इतना बड़ा onus किसी और के ऊपर डाल देना. You know, जब actors शुरुआत करते हैं या 3-4 साल काम करते हैं, एक already existing चीज़ का onus किसी के ऊपर डाल देना. Like, you know, when people start comparing newcomers to big superstars of 20 years of, you know, hard work and you know, work behind them and audience behind them, it's a bit of a pressure. I don't think one needs to put. I think everyone. मैं जब भी देखता हूँ, मैं ज़्यादा फिल्में देख नहीं पाता, पढ़ लेता हूँ ये बात जो आपने कही ऐसे हैं, और मैं वो बहुत सारे वो भी होते हैं आजकल polls कि who wins this, कौन है आगे, कौन सी अच्छी जोड़ी है and all. I don't think we take that too seriously and put the pressure, but I think there's so many people who work so wonderfully and so many actors and सबके सब अच्छे लगते हैं. And जब 2-4 फिल्में ऐसी आएंगी उनकी, you know, where things fall right in place, enactment wise I think they're all better than Raj and Simran if you ask me. आजकल के जो actors हैं, मैं अभी वरुण के साथ काम किया, कृति के साथ काम किया, उससे पहले you know 1 or 2 other actors that I worked with were younger, and you realize that उनकी जो understanding of cinema और acting है मुझसे तो ज़्यादा है. मैं काजल का नहीं हूँ, काजल की तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा है. काजल तो मतलब बहुत ही कमाल की कुछ है एकदम उसका. तो
जैसे आपने देखा,
अभी देखा तुमने. So but मुझसे तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा है और उनको बहुत अंडरस्टैंडिंग है सिनेमा की. So I think the enactment technique is much better than we had when we started off, and that shows on screen. और बहुत modern take भी है, you know, बहुत interesting modern take है. I think आजकल के actors जो हैं, they also come with lot more openness to work than perhaps Kajol and me did. You know, we are shy to do a lot of things on screen because of whatever reason, maybe the timings, या फिल्में ऐसी नहीं बनती थी. So I think all of them are fantastic as enactments, but as a jury,
and I honestly, I just like to say that honestly, you know, you guys cannot compare them because they need time. They really need that time to establish, as you say, an on-screen history that we have. I mean, I think that I don't think it's fair to them at all in this respect to us.
Yeah, and I think we got lucky, you know, over years we got one. किसको ऐसा मिलता, हमने बाजीगर से शुरुआत की, then we went to Dilwale, then we had a Karan Arjun, then we had a Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, then we had My Name Is Khan, then we had a Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, and now it's a strange set of films that we got by some really wonderful directors, and they all turned out to be different films and still worked in large numbers, you know. So लोगों के दिल में समाना, बाजीगर भी पसंद आई थी, करण अर्जुन अलग-अलग फिल्में पसंद आई थी. So I think it's a little unfair. ऐसा नहीं कि हम बोलना नहीं चाहते कि अगले हमसे, मुझे ऐसा लगता है जितनी भी जोड़ियाँ कही जाती हैं अच्छी, वो सब हमसे बेहतर हैं. But वो हम नहीं हैं क्योंकि they need a lot of time. It's unfair to start comparing them, unfair to them. But I'm sure they're all fantastic and will do very, very well.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for the questions. Members of the media.
चलो एक ज्योति को पूछ लें तो यार, he's the only man with a girl's name. एक मिनट दोनों का आप बोल दो, ज्योति आप पहले बोल दो, फिर मैं उनका भी सुन लूंगा वो भी. तो वही हुआ ना, एंड रिजल्ट तो वही बोल रहा है तू, कम प्राइस करके ज़्यादा कलेक्शन के ज़्यादा प्राइस करके ज़्यादा कलेक्शन। ऐसा नहीं कह सकते, कलेक्शन ज़्यादा है ना एंड में दोनों रिजल्ट में ना। मैं अभी बताता हूँ, मैं पता करके बताता हूँ, मैं पीवीआर से पता करके बताता हूँ, बिजली से पता करके बताता हूँ। आप पूछो क्या पूछ रहे?
Love Guru. I'm romancing Love Guru.
But how is, can she give a little tip on how she keeps herself so confident and being the epitome?
Okay, let me just say this once and for all. Okay, first of all, yes, thank you so much for all the compliments that you've given me in that question. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Secondly, I'd just like to say that, you know, women are the smartest, most amazing creatures in the world because we have convinced men that they rule the world today. Yes. We've convinced them that they, you know, we've given them permission and we have convinced them, both on that angle. As for where I come from, I think, I honestly believe that the minute you believe in yourself and you respect yourself and stand up for yourself, I think everybody else senses that about you and gives you exactly what you ask for.
And if I may add, because I've known her for years and I'm an expert in women. बट जब भी ये मैं सच बता रहा हूँ, छोटी बहुत चीज़ें मैंने देखी हैं कई लोगों में और वो ना परेशान हो जाते हैं कि हाउ दे लुक, द वेट दे हैव, हाउ दे वॉक, द एज दे आर एट. आई हैव नोन काजोल to wear everything, not I'm talking about clothes, I'm talking about persona. Wear her every persona from the age of maybe she was 18 or 19 since I've known her, when she started working in Bekhudi and a year later in Bazigar, till to date with 2 children. But she wears every aspect of a persona, whether it's a married life, whether it's the mother's life, whether it's a sister's life, whether it's an actor's life, whether it's a star's life, whether it's an endorser's friend's life. She wears it with immense confidence. She calls them, what, scars? War scars, right? She calls them war scars.
Battle scars.
Battle scars. Everything is a battle scar, and it's okay if people look at your battle scars and whether they laugh at it, make fun of it. These are my battle scars of life, and she wears them with a lot of pride. So I think that's one part that every woman should know, that there's nothing to be unproud of, whatever your age, stage, look, status, single or married or motherhood is. You should be just proud of every status of your life. Having said that, हाँ तालियां बजा ली पहले. ये अच्छी स्पीच थी, इस पे तालियां होनी चाहिए.
Oh, so sweet!
Having said that, जो काजोल ने पहले कहा है, उससे मैं बड़ा confused हो गया हूँ. I don't rule the film industry.
No.
Oh.
We have just
Convinced you that I am okay.
Well, we have seen the magic before, and let's relive the magic through the SRK Film Festival. Come, let's celebrate the legacy of Shah Rukh Khan. Thank you so much for being with us. 11 to 17th is the film festival. Let's watch these movies once again. Members of the media and all our guests, thank you so much for joining us here.